So we are Tabor Shahid Dubar. It's about 6 of us here right now of our Tabor. They're all ready to go and fight in Afrin against the invading force of Turkey. We've been training for a significant amount of time. Tactics that work against any force. We're prepared and we've been supplied by the YPG to fight against Turkish terrorists. Well, I mean, it wasn't really something that was unexpected. It's been going on. Turkey's been helping ISIS fight against the Kurds for a significant amount of time. It's just something that we've been waiting for. We've been prepared. I think the YPG is prepared to fight against the Turkish terrorists. They're an invading force. The YPG is a defending force. There's not much more to it.